that Tony Busby has dropped the lawsuit against Jay-Z and Diddy. Jay-Z is now planning to countersue Tony Busby.
Yeah.
So that y'all think that they just pulled a woman out of anywhere America and said, "Hey, we want you to be a part of this lawsuit against Jay-Z, and we gonna say that when you was 13, they kidnapped you, and we gonna go public with this."
Well, I gotta say yes. I think they did. Now I'll be controversial and say
You
that.
think
Yeah,
so?
I think
You
she
think
came
it's
out.
about it,
You know why?
random?
You know what the problem is? Because Tony Busby went about this he went about this whole situation like this. If you've been to a Diddy party, you may be entitled to compensation. Call this 800 number and tell us all about it. That's the problem.